not fitting in this blanket.
Connor and I made it to our room. Apparently this place only has rooms with one bed in it, which isn't a problem, but it's only a twin bed. We fit like fucking little
sardine.
Yeah, it's a fucking little bears sitting right next to each other.
I feel okay.
And they gave us one blanket, which Connor has. Connor has
this is more like a strip.
Yeah. They somehow were able to cut a blanket in half, thick ways. They gave that to Connor. Connor was nice enough to give me this.
Sean's very warm-blooded,
Yes,
so
my
that
feet shouldn't be cold. But yeah. Stay tuned. Maybe we'll do some shit tomorrow. Maybe we'll just lay here in this small bed all day. All right. Connor and I are leaving our room to go search for food. There was a huge mall around here somewhere. That way. See if we can find it. About to try the Filipino famous Jubilee. Jollibee, Jubilee. Why did I say Jubilee?
I would have thought that too until I saw that.
Hello. Can I get the C6 spicy? Take away. Filipino fast food. You see how they spell ketchup? Ketchup. Ketchup, folks. Anyways. Got some chicken. Don't be fooled, this is rice. Some French fries. Pineapple juice. They give you this gravy. Put on the rice. Chicken's good. Alright, in conclusion.
Good chicken.
Delicious chicken.
I get more.
I fucks with you, Jollibee. I fucks with you. Go check out this mall real quick. Possibly gonna go see a movie. Go see Aquaman. Just bought tickets. 210 pesos, which is about $4. And yeah, after that, we're gonna come back out, play some more games. All right, this should be fun. Hopefully it's in English. Super speed, super speed. Alien shit, alien shit.
You got some.
Hey folks, playing a little Colorama with Connor and Sean. It's basically betting. Connor's going for white. Connor bet it all on white. Holy shit! Oh, just missed it. Connor is currently eating
Halo halo.
halo halo, the only Korean halo halo in Palawan. It's Korean inspired. It's fucking weird.
It's really weird.
It's got jello, some black beans. I don't know what the fuck that is. Is that rice? It had ice cream in it. Maybe shards of coconut. Alright, so almost missed our flight because somebody didn't think it was necessary to say over the intercom that it was time to board. Either way, we made it work. I'm getting on the plane. We got on the plane 2 minutes ago. 2 minutes ago. We literally almost missed our flight. Apparently, in the Philippines, they don't say shit about your plane boarding. So we're just hanging out, waiting for our plane, and they decide we're gonna leave. So we had to run out to the plane, just barely caught it, and now we're going to Cebu. Here we go.